Martin Hurry, Blues Guitar Licks.
Hello, how you doing? Martin for these blues guitar lessons, the Blues Lab. Thanks to be here. Thanks to subscribe and like these videos, Today, I will share with you a series of videos about blues jazz, If you are a blues player and you want to add some jazzy flavor to your playing, this series of videos, it's especially aimed to beginners, or intermediate players. If you never played jazz or only blues you play, and you want to spice up a little bit your playing. Today we will talk about chords, and the basic sequence of chords you can play in this style, yes. If you like this content, remember on my Patreon page you can find an extra video about this and PDF files to download with the chord shapes and sequences, Okay, let's go for it. So basically when we play blues, let's say in the key of G, we use two chords, two shapes, the 1, the 4 and the 5, 1, 4, 5. These are the roots of the three chords, In this case, G, 7th, C, back to G. Let's go to the 5th, D, 7th or 9th in this case, C, and we can play turn around. This is the 12-bar blues. This is the basic and important blues sequence. So let's try to do some things in order to jazz up these three chords of the blues. First, if you play 7th chords like this, it's okay. I like to play more 13th or 6th chords. If we are in a major sequence like this one, But for instance, let's keep the 7th. Remember, you can find all the chord shapes, all the options on my Patreon, Visit my Patreon, a lot of content, lessons, solos, tablatures, licks, tricks, chords, So we will play for one measure, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to the 4th, like a blues, to quick change, we call this, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now it's coming the first jazz idea, which is playing a 2-5 in order to go to the 1 chord, We are in G, so we want to go to C. So C, even if it's my 4th degree of my blues, we will think about it about a new one, So if C is the new one, we need to play a 2-5 in order to go to the 1, So if C is the 1, D is the 2, G is the 5, and C is the 1. So a 2 will be minor, G could be 7th, or altered chord, more jazzy, and go to the C chord, my new one, my X 4th of the blues, Actually, it's still the 4th, but I think about it as a new one, So it sounds like this: 1, 2, 3. Listen to this. Yes. Now, instead, following the classic blues sequence and say bar 5 and 6 on C, we can play 1 bar of C, and now C sharp diminished, diminished chord, you will find the shape on my Patreon, yeah. We have different shapes, and remember, we repeat the diminished chord up to third, yeah. Every third, we repeat the same chord, yeah. So it sounds like this. 3, 2, 5, 1. 3, 4 diminished in order to go to G again. Yeah? And now another jazzy thing, yeah? We can play a 6, 2, 5, 1. So if G is my 1, we can play. Remember, 2, 5, 1s are cells, are blocks we can move and put anywhere in order to go from point A to point B. Yeah, between two chords we can play always 2, 5, 1s. Yeah, it's a beautiful way, classic jazzy. Yeah, also it's used in pop music. Well, it's really used. We can play 2, 5, 1s, yeah, all the time. Yeah, so G6, the 6 of G, it's E minor, but I don't want to go deep in theory, you know. Instead playing minor, we are going to switch this minor into 7th. Yeah, we call this in music theory secondary dominant, yeah. But you just need to know for now, yes. We play the E7th, yeah, the 6th degree, yeah. Now 2, 5, 1 to reach my G. 2, 5, 1. So it sounds like this if I play only the roots. And tune around, jazzy tune around, yeah? What is this? This is a minor 7th chord. The traditional minor 7th is like this, you know, a bar and my ring finger on the 5th. You can play this one too. But this fingering, we play the same notes, but it's a different fingering, sounds more jazzy. So 5, 2, 5, 1. Yeah. So let's play the full sequence, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 5, 1. Diminished. 1, 6 now, dominant. 2, 5, 1, turn around. Yes. So about all the shapes, I will put a PDF. I will put also the 12 measures with all these options, you know. This is the first step. Of course, we can start playing substitutions and a lot of interesting things to spice up this sequence, and we can add more chords even though, yeah. But it's important, if this is your first step in this style, play super well this, you know. This should be very, very solid, yeah. About the strumming, yeah, well, if you see, I am using my, I'm not using my pick, I'm using my fingers. My pick is there, is inside, yeah. I'm using my thumb to play the bass, and these 3 fingers to play string 2, 3, and 4, yeah. You can play with your thumb only. Sounds great, yeah? Yeah, or you can play with your pick if you want, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's important you feel, you practice, and you feel that 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a really subtle thing, yeah, because between the 1 and 2 strumming, it's really subtle, the difference, but it makes a difference, you know. 1, actually what I do is the 1 and the 3, I strum, I play string 6, 5, and 4, and the 2 and 4, which are the strong beats, I play the full string. So yeah, with the pick. Yeah, but just keep it simple here. Yeah, just as I told you, if these are your first steps into this thing, just practice your left, your chord shapes, your change, yeah, and then put attention on your right, and then put together both. Yeah, a good idea, a good tip is practice this in front of a mirror. Yeah, so you can see your hands. Yeah. Be relaxed, yeah, and play and practice. Yeah, this is the meaning of practice. Yeah, of course. Also, if you know and you feel comfortable with these chord changes, then over the standard blues, yeah, with the 3 chords, you can suggest with your arpeggios and scales these chords, these 2-5-1s in between, yeah? And you will get that spiced blues. Yeah, a lot of players, modern players like Josh Smith, for example, he suggests all the 2-5-1s, even if the band is playing a classic blues. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you liked this lesson. As I told you, on my Patreon you can find PDF files about this, about the chord shapes, about the 12-bar sequence, jazz and blues, and an extra video with more info about this topic. Yes, and I will upload more videos about this, yeah, to make a long lesson. Yeah, so thank you very much. See you soon.